we were trying to raise the bar in action. But in Commando 2, there's a phenomenal story, there's intrigue in it, and for me, I had to prepare very differently from 1 and 2, from Force and Commando 1.
There are so many action films being made in India right now, which are like each action film is raising the bar for action. So when you are making a film like Commando, and if I'm not wrong, you have designed the action yourself, your team has designed the action yourself. So how difficult does it get for you to come up with something which is never seen before over here?
Yeah, it's not difficult at all because I don't think like an ordinary action guy. And what you see in Indian cinema or internationally, in my opinion, is mediocre. I'm sorry to say it, but it is. So when we did Commando 1, there was the first time in India we did not use cables, there was no stunt doubles, and there was phenomenal action. And Commando 2 में जब हम लोग ने विपुल सर से बात की थी and we wanted to know what we should do, we were just thinking of doing something which is beyond my imagination. So we just worked on it. We didn't think about what others are doing, what these guys are planning to do, or what we've seen. We were just competing with ourselves in Commando 1, and I have a feeling we've done a much better job than Commando 1.
And Vipul sir was...
यार वो पानी में घुसोगे तो गीले तो हो ही जाओगे, थोड़ी बहुत इंजरीज होती रहती हैं, बट इतनी ट्रेनिंग की हुई है कि अब आदत हो गई है.
Okay, considering the fact that so the first part was pretty well at the box office, it did great business. Talking about the second part, was there any kind of pressure for the team from your side, because automatically the expectations increases for the audience also? So what are your views on this thing?
There is a lot of pressure, even when you are making the fresh film. There is a pressure, and when you're making sequel, it becomes even more, because now you have to meet certain kind of expectations that audience have from the film, and it's not easy. We see time and again that a lot of sequels don't do as well as they are expected to do. But when we got the script, when we knew what we were doing, when we knew what kind of action we were going to build into the film, only then, and that's why we've taken a couple of years to go into a sequel. And as Shivashish said, that there was a lot of discussion that went into it, because we wanted to scale it up. We wanted to really go big, give it a real scale that an action film requires. Action films are very, very difficult to shoot. We wanted the best crew. We got the crew from South Africa, and a lot of action boys were from America. So that was the whole process. Writing itself, as Deven said, that Ritesh, Suresh, me, Deven, we were working on this script for almost close to 2 years. The thought of the film started in 2014 election period, when black money became the big talking point. 15 lakh in everybody's account was one of the campaign thoughts. And we realized that this is going to become a very big issue in the coming years in the country, which has happened now. So we started thinking of Commando 2 from then, with a topic of black money, and we are glad that we are ready now. We've seen the trailer. Hopefully the film is as good as the trailer. So let's see. But yes, when you're making part 2, there is an extra bit of pressure, because you have to now meet with certain expectations as well.
So I have a question for Vidyut as well as this is Pratibha from Book My Show. So Vidyut, from Force to Commando 2, how is this role different? Or you just did this role for your producer friend?
Yeah, before anything else, I am a different person from Force to Commando 1 to Commando 2. So whatever the role would be, I would be a different human being. I would do it differently, I would portray it differently, I would exhibit it differently. So number one, बहुत अलग है यार. Force में I was supposed to be this very mean machine, which I did portray. In Commando 1, we were trying to raise the bar in action. But in Commando 2, there's a phenomenal story, there's intrigue in it, and for me, I had to prepare very differently from 1 and 2, from Force and Commando 1.
So basically you're saying that we have a lot different things for the audience to see in this movie.
कुछ भी वैसा नहीं है, phenomenal action के अलावा जो आपने पहले देखा है.
Devin, all that I could gather.
My second question is for Ada. Your footage in the trailer is very, for a very short period of time, but still you make a mark. I would like to know what is your inspiration behind this character, the dialogue delivery and everything. It was really great.
Thank you. I have to thank Devin sir, because we did like a lot of workshops to get the accent right. But I've been doing movies in Hyderabad, so I've been there for a year. So on set, when I used to get bored, I like mimicking people. And I do this all the time on sets everywhere. But so I used to mimic the accent, the Andhra accent. And I think I learned a few of the little local terms that they use here and there. So when I got to play this, I did it entirely from my heart and through his heart and mine.
Okay.
So
all the best.
Thank you.
Devan, all that we could gather from the trailer. I can see Shefali in a very different avatar. Whose idea was it? Was it Vipul's idea?
Actually, while developing the character, I felt only one person can do that character, and that was Shefali. So I asked Vipul कि Shefali को पूछते हैं, and he said, sorry? It's a terrific role. It's a cameo, but it's a very important role. And I felt Shefali उसको सही तरीके से justice कर पाएगी. So I asked Vipul whether Shefali will say yes. He said, you ask her, because if you feel, I don't know, हाँ बोलेगी ना बोलेगी. बोला अरे तेरी बीवी है, अपना खुद का प्रोडक्शन है, तो ना कैसे बोलेगी? बोला नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो शेफाली है, you never know. बोला पूछ लो. So मुझे लगा कि like अगर शेफाली हाँ बोल दे इस रोल के लिए तो मज़ा आ जाए. And then we narrated her the script and her character, and she loved it, and she said yes.
So Vipul, it was very easy to rope her in, or it took you a few nights?
Honestly, with Shefali, it's very simple. You give her the script, she likes the role, she likes the script. That's the end of the story, nothing beyond that. I can't sell her anything else but the script. There is no way I can convince her. And it's a rule that we followed for all the years, that I don't go to her with just because she's my wife, and she doesn't do my film just because I am her husband. It's purely professional. I respect her as an actor. She's the best actress in the country. And I don't want to take her for granted ever. I would want to go with her with material that I feel is great and she should do it. She may still turn it down, but I would not want to disrespect her by going to her with anything which is mediocre. I thought this was a very, very, very good part, terrific part, something that she's not done. A bit of a negative part, I would say. I'm revealing some things here. But yeah, and that's why I told Deven that you approach her as a director professionally, forget our friendship, your friendship with her. Go to her as a director, present her the part, and hope that she does it. And we are very glad that she's done it.
Hi, my question is to all the three producers, Mr. Vipul Shah, Mr. Subhash sir, and Jayantilal sir. Nowadays we live in a time when planning the release size becomes very important. So what sort of release are you looking for this film?
They will answer this.
So I think it will be quite a wide release from that point of view. And though the actual numbers gets materialized only probably the last 15 days, but we expect that it is at least anything between 1700 to 2000 screen release. So it's quite a wide release. And plus, as I mentioned, that this will also parallelly get released in Tamil and Telugu language.
But will you be targeting majorly the single screens?
Actually, this film, when it will come up, you will find that it has its audience in both. And as it is very clear from the trailer itself, of course, in India, honestly, we make this difference of single screen and multiplex. There are only two kinds of films, either it's a good film or a bad film. So if there is a good film, it will get lapped up in any kind of audiences. And we are expecting that in India, at least, we'll go anything between 17 to 2000, apart from the overseas market. And with whatever homework we have done last 1 month and etc., we are pretty confident that it will go at least 2-3 times more than the size of exposure what we have gone in Commando 1 in the overseas market also.
There is one more thing that, generally there is a sense in India that action films are just no-brainer, entertainer, they are looked down upon. Trust me, this is one of the toughest genre. People get hurt, they get injured. They put in a year's practice into reaching the kind of finesse that they reach. And just because they are doing action, we tend to just write them off. That's not fair. Just to say that our action film will appeal in a single screen is not correct. If we say that, then we are actually challenging the intelligence of the multiplex audience that they are never going to come for any action film. That's not true. They come for action films. It's about the story. It's about how you make the film, and as rightly told by Shibashish, it's either a good film or a bad film. So we will go to every audience across the country and globe with the same expectation that everybody in the entire family is going to like the film.
विपुल जी,
जिस तरह से साउथ में हुआ, जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था एक एक्शन फिल्म का, और उसमें 2 मारे गए थे लोग, उस लिहाज से आपकी मैक्सिमम फिल्म्स जितनी भी हैं वो सारी एक्शन फिल्म्स ही होती हैं, तो उसमें आप लोग सेफ्टी का कितना ध्यान रखते हैं?
बहुत ध्यान रखा जाता है. सेट पे एक एम्बुलेंस भी होता है, डॉक्टर्स भी होते हैं, लेकिन एक्शन एक ऐसा माध्यम है जहाँ चोट ज़रूर लग सकती है. जो हादसा हुआ वो बहुत दुखद था, नहीं होना चाहिए, किसी की भी जान नहीं जानी चाहिए, और हम पूरा ध्यान रखते हैं, पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि चोट भी ना लगे. उसके बावजूद चोट लगती है. विद्युत को चोट लगी, उसके बावजूद उन्होंने हमारा जो अब्रॉड का शेड्यूल था पूरा चोट के साथ एक्शन करके कंप्लीट किया है. तो वो एक बहुत ही रेयर चीज़ जो मैंने देखी कि इतनी गहरी चोट के साथ, जहाँ डॉक्टर्स ने बोला हुआ था कि आप ज़मीन पे पैर भी नहीं रखेंगे, और इन्होंने हर तरीके का एक्शन किया. मैं मना कर रहा था, बट इन्होंने कहा कि नहीं विपुल मैं कर लूँगा, लेट्स कंप्लीट द शेड्यूल. तो आई थिंक एक्शन ऑलवेज इज़ अ डिफ़िकल्ट जॉनर, बहुत मुश्किल होता है. हम पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारे सेट पे छोटा सा भी हादसा ना हो. टचवुड अभी तक कोई ऐसा हादसा हुआ नहीं जिससे एक बुरा माहौल हो जाए.